brakes?
My brakes. But I checked your brakes.
My brakes. You can feel it, right? The brakes are super sensitive.
Yes.
Okay, you know, maybe he thought we were gonna.
Guys, having is secure.
Thank you.
Taxi checklist.
Taxi checklist. Brakes.
Checked.
Check. Thrust reversers.
Checked.
Take a briefing.
Okay, in any case, nav to 5,000 feet. It's a early right turn. Yeah, I'll ask for nav, and then a single engine. Yes, V2 plus 10. Flight level change, and normal case will be vertical speed and autopilot.
Take a checklist. Completed.
Take off checklist above the line.
Take a checklist above the line. Take a checklist above the line, cabin.
Secure.
Secure continuous ignition off. Transponder TCAS, TARA and above. Weather radar. On. Auto throttle flight director.
Engaged.
Take a checklist above the line. Completed. Complete. TACA. We are clear. Anti-column.
Okay.
Take a checklist above the line. Wing can anti-ice. Windshield wing no hit. No props. On. Gas.
Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff config okay. Runway heading.
Checked.
Check. Takeoff clearance.
Obtained.
Obtain. Take a checklist below the line. Completed. Follow someone line. Follow this. Nobody was there.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, check takeoff.
Takeoff thrust. Set. V1. Rotate. Positive right.
Gear up. Select nav.
Nav.
Select vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
Belly down.
Autopilot on.
Okay, left one engaged, autopilot 1 vertical speed.
Check.
Now the terrain comes really quickly, yeah? Some range shows as well. So direct Zapata, please.
Second, please.
Direct Zapata, please.
Direct. Zapata. Confirm.
Confirmed.
Execute.
Ignition on. Continuous ignition.
Continuous ignition on.
Speed window is set.
Check.
Flip 0.
Flap 0 set.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist, landing gear level up. Flap 0. Thrust reversers off. climb thrust. Set gas pressurization check. After the check is complete. You have 1000 feet to go. Approaching 5000 feet or higher, please. Flight level 098. Confirm 6,000. Any higher? I think they are coordinating with somebody else. Continue climbing flight level 7. Check speed.
Set standard. Passing flight level 50. No.
Thunder set and check.
Okay, so looks like we have some time, so we can speed up a little bit if you're happy with that. Here's the speed to 50 is set.
Check.
And yeah, we can do a climb cruise and descent checklist, but let's leave the lights open.
Lights on, okay. Passenger side